Hello friends, this is Rajan Gupta, science teacher. In this video, we are going to learn a wonderful technique to memorize atomic number of elements of periodic table from my book titled Periodic Table at Your Fingertips. Friends, first of all, let me ask you a question. Are you a science student? Do you read in medical, non-medical or other professional courses? Are you studying chemistry? Do you know that periodic table is the base of chemistry? Have you memorized or crammed atomic number of all elements in the periodic table? Friends, this is very difficult. Nobody can learn, nobody can memorize atomic number of elements easily. So it is a problem of all students. So in this video, we will solve this problem. For that, if you do not memorize atomic number of elements, then I can help you in memorizing it in just few minutes. And watch this video, you will learn a very wonderful technique and will never forget the atomic number of elements in your life. Friends, first of all, let us understand how human memory works. For that, close your eyes. Please, all who are watching this video, please close your eyes and think about an elephant. Okay, now open your eyes and what came into your mind? A word, elephant, or a picture of an elephant? If your answer is a picture of an elephant, it means that we memorize things in the form of pictures, not in words. So this is the most important statement in this video. I repeat it. We memorize things in the form of pictures, not in words. Our memory is pictorial in nature. So this psychological memory test suggests that our memory is pictorial in nature. Now let us apply this concept of pictorial memory to memorize atomic number of elements permanently. Let us start memorizing atomic number of some random elements from periodic table. So in this video, we will memorize atomic number of 15 elements, and that elements we took are random. Please understand, we are going to understand the concept. Okay, so our first element is beryllium. So this is the picture of beryllium. Beryllium looks like the stone, green color stone, and its atomic number is 4. How to memorize atomic number of beryllium? The name beryllium sounds similar to the word berry, which refer to a small, juicy, edible fruit such as strawberry or blueberry. So, from this learning, we got an idea that beryllium is equal to berry, means its name sounds similar to the word berry. So now we will use this learning to make a picture and learn the atomic number permanently. So what is berry? Berry is a sweet fruit just like strawberry, raspberry, blackberry. So here we used a picture of berry cake with the number 4 made up of many berries marked on it. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element beryllium is 4. So friends, please focus on the picture. You can see it very clearly. There is a birthday cake upon which number 4 is written, and this number is made from many types of berries. So remember this picture. This picture will help you in memorizing the atomic number of beryllium. Okay, now let's proceed to the next element, that is carbon. Now, carbon has many forms. Here, two forms are shown, graphite and diamond. Its atomic number is 6. So, how can we memorize atomic number of carbon? The name carbon seems to be derived from the word car. So, we made a relationship between carbon and car. So, the idea is the name carbon is derived from the word car. Here we used a picture of sports car with number 6 marked on it. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element carbon is 6. So see the picture carefully. You can see a sports car upon which number 6 is marked. So this makes a relationship between the atomic number of carbon and this picture. So in this way, we will permanently memorize its atomic number, and the atomic number of carbon is 6. Now next element is fluorine. This is how fluorine looks like. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. How to memorize atomic number of fluorine? The name fluorine seems to be derived from the word flour. Flour means atta. This is called atta in Hindi. Okay. So the idea is fluorine is equal to flour. So here we used a picture of wheat flour bag put on a weighing scale. The weighing scale shows that weight of flour is 9 kg. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element fluorine is 9. So friends, you can see the picture clearly. A bag of wheat flour is kept on the weighing scale, and the weighing scale is telling us that its weight is 9 kg. So from here we made a relationship between the atomic number of fluorine and this picture. So memorize this picture. You will then memorize the atomic number of fluorine. Okay. Now next element is phosphorus. This is how it looks like. Its atomic number is 15. Now how to memorize atomic number of phosphorus? So the second part of the name phosphorus sounds similar to the word force. Phosphorus, force, force, force. Okay. So we got an idea that phosphorus is equal to force. So here we used a picture of a man applying force to push a box weighing 15 kg. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element phosphorus is 15. So you can clearly see that a man is pushing a box weighing 15 kg. So he is applying his force, and the relationship is maintained force phosphorus 15 kg. Just remember these things and you will memorize the atomic number. It's very easy. Okay, now next element is sulfur. This is how it looks like, a yellow color non-metal. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. So how to memorize atomic number of sulfur? The name sulfur sounds similar to the word sulfur. So we made a relationship between sulfur and sulfur because they sound similar. Sulfur, sulfur. So idea is sulfur is equal to sulfur. So here we used a picture of a man, also called surfer, surfing on sea waves with the help of a surfing board. A sticker of surfer 16 is pasted on the lower surface of his surfing board. So are you seeing the sticker? It's in yellow color. Surfer 16. So this picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element sulfur is 16. Have you memorized it? Sulfur, sulfur. And sulfur sticker is pasted on lower surface of surfing board. It's sulfur 16. Okay. Next element is scandium. Scandium. Atomic number of scandium is 21. So how can we memorize it? The name scandium seems to be derived from the word scan. So what is the idea? How can we memorize its atomic number? So scandium is equal to scan, means scandium word is derived from scan. Okay, now the picture used here shows a barcode being scanned for a payment of rupees 21. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of elements scandium is 21. So you can see that somebody is scanning the barcode to make a payment of rupees 21, and 21 is the atomic number of scandium. Now let's memorize next element, and the next element is vanadium. Atomic number of vanadium is 23. So how can we memorize it? The name vanadium seems to be derived from the word van. Vanadium is equal to van. Okay. Here we used a picture of a school van with the van number 23 marked on it. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element vanadium is 23. Van number 23, van number 23, vanadium 23. Okay, now next element, that is nickel. So atomic number of nickel is 28. How to memorize its atomic number? The name nickel seems to be derived from the word nicker. Nickel, nicker. So the idea is nickel is equal to nicker. The picture shows a red colored nicker with number 28 printed on it. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element nickel is 28. So you can see it clearly, a red colored nickel, 28 printed on it. This is the atomic number of nickel. So nickel is derived from nicker having 28 printed on it. Okay. Now let's memorize atomic number of zinc. Its atomic number is 30. How can we memorize it? The name zinc sounds similar to the word ink. Zinc, ink. Zinc, ink. Okay. So we made the relationship between zinc and ink. Here we used a picture showing an ink pot containing Z black colored ink. Z black colored ink. Z ink. Zinc. Okay. The quantity of ink in ink pot is 30 ml. You can see in the picture, ink pot is 30 ml. Also number 30 is written on a paper with this ink. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element zinc is 30. Atomic number of zinc is 30. Zinc, ink. Ink, 30 ml ink in ink pot. Okay, we made this relationship. I think you must have memorized it. Okay. Now next element is technetium. Technetium. How can we memorize its atomic number? Its atomic number is 43. So what can be the relationship? Okay, technetium. Technetium is equal to technetian. Technetium, technetian. So who is technetian? Who do technical works? Okay. This picture shows an X-ray technician holding an X-ray film in her hands. On the X-ray film, number 43 is illustrated in the form of a skeleton of bones. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element technetium is 43. I think you must have understand. So atomic number of technetium is 43. Okay. Now next element is palladium. So atomic number of palladium is 46. So how can we memorize it? The name palladium sounds similar to the word play in stadium. Palladium. Idea is palladium, play in stadium. Okay, we made the relationship. This picture shows a cricket kit scattered on the playground in a stadium. Playground, stadium, play in stadium. The three stumps are making the shape of number 4. Friends, are you seeing? Three stumps. See on, focus on three stumps. They are making the shape of number 4. Whereas the bat and ball are representing number 6. See carefully, bat and ball, number 6. So this picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element palladium is 46. Now next proceed to next element, that is antimony. So this is how it looks like. The atomic number of antimony is 51. So how to memorize atomic number of antimony? The name antimony sounds similar to the word anti-money. Anti-money. Anti-money is equal to anti-money. Okay. So here we used a picture of currency note of rupees 51 denomination. Friends, have you ever seen this type of note in India? No. If no, why no? Because in India, printing of this note is unlawful, or we can say that printing of this note is anti-money. Anti means against. So this is against the rules of government of India. Nobody can print such notes. Okay. So this picture help us to remember that atomic number of element antimony is 51. I think this is very funny, and we can learn easily atomic number of elements by using these funny things. Okay, so next element is lanthanum. Lanthanum. So lanthanum atomic number is 57. So how to memorize atomic number of lanthanum? The name lanthanum sounds similar to the word length of Namita. Lanthanum. So idea is lanthanum is equal to length of Namita. Length of Lanthanum. Length of Namita. Okay. So we use this relationship to make a picture of a girl whose name is Namita. The length of this girl, or you can say height of Namita, is 5 feet 7 inches. We can write it in the numerical form like this, 5, 7. This picture helps us to remember that atomic number of element lanthanum is 5, 7, means 57. So length of Namita is 5, 7, 57. So lanthanum 57. Okay. Next element is thallium. This is how it looks like. So its atomic number is 81. How to memorize atomic number of thallium? So the name thallium sounds similar to the word thali. Thallium. We can say it like thallium. So thallium is equal to thali. So what is thali? Thali is an Indian name given to the plate in which food is served and eaten. So idea is thallium or thallium is equal to thali. So this picture shows an Indian thali containing a plate, 2 bowls and a spoon. The bowls are placed side by side and are making shape of number 8. Kindly look at the picture. Can you see 2 bowls placed side by side and they are making number 8? And a spoon is also kept in the plate and it is forming number 1. It is in the shape of number 1. So together they are making number 81. So this picture shows that atomic number of element thallium is 81. Our next element is francium. So francium, atomic number of francium is 87. So how can we memorize it? The name francium is derived from the word France. France to francium. Okay. Francium is equal to France. Okay. So this picture shows Eiffel Tower of France. This is a very famous building present in Paris in France. On this tower, flag of France is fluttering and 2 hot air balloons are flying near it. The hot air balloons are making shape of number 8 and flag is making shape of number 7. Can you see it? Hot air balloons, 2 hot air balloons. Together they are making a shape of number 8. whereas the flag is making the shape of number 7. Together, we can say that this picture shows that atomic number of element francium is 87. So, that's all with this video. In this video, we discussed the basic technique of learning atomic number of elements. I am sure that you must have learned my technique to memorize atomic number of these elements and to memorize atomic number of all elements of periodic table. Please read my book titled Periodic Table at Your Fingertips. So this book is available at amazon.in and its link is given in the description box. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, share it maximum to each student of our country so they can get benefit from it. And also please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thanks a lot.